Remember the wireless microphone for BYD cars that we love so much? The same company, Pure Mic, sent us another set of wireless microphone. This is the Pure Mic Karaoke Machine K3. This is for home use. So let's do a quick unboxing and installation and let's see how it works. Let me just show you what's inside the box. All right? Yan. Okay, so let's start with this. This is the main docking station. This is the one that you will connect to the TV. This is your power supply, USB, HDMI, TF card, and audio auxiliary connection, 3.5 millimeter. And then, of course, etong microphone. The same look and feel ng Pure Mic wireless microphone that we demonstrated last time for the BYD cars. Maganda, it feels solid, maganda rin ang pagkakagawa. So, dalawa to, and patatayin to dito. Let's get back to that later. And then, ayun, meron siyang remote control. And this is the power cord, HDMI cable, and manual. Alright? Tara, i-connect na natin. Okay, let's do the connection. So, ito yung power. This is the HDMI cable, nakakonect na dito sa TV. Ito yung 3.5mm na auxiliary cable. This JBL 800 that you can see here, wala tong auxiliary connection. Kaya, I just want to be clear, hindi tayo magko-connecta dito. Gumamit ako ng exterior, another speaker na merong 3.5 auxiliary. And then, as you can see, nagbi-blink na siya dito. Power indicator. Ibig sabihin, may power supply na siya. Ikabit natin tong microphone. You just put it there. If you are curious, you want to see at the bottom, andito may connector siya. Yan na rin yung charging port niya. So, pag hindi mo ginagamit, paglagay mo dyan, nagcha-charge siya. Kasi meron siyang built-in battery. When you turn on your TV, this is what you will see. Alright? So, this is the home screen. And then, if you scroll down with the remote control, ayan, nandito yung mga applications. Vivo Karaoke. And then again, remember Stingray Karaoke. Ito yung nasa mga BYD cars. Different genres, languages, may mga playlist. Para siyang aggregator, no? Kapag tinignan mo, it's like an aggregator. Nandito lahat yung mga list of songs. Pero, they are not locally stored. That's why you need to connect this to the internet. Okay, so in setting up the Wi-Fi for the docking station, you go here. Right now, nasa home tayo, and then go down to settings, and then there you go, Wi-Fi. Of course, you guys know how to set this up, right? Yeah, very easy to follow. I think it's very user-friendly. Let's check the microphone. So, meron kang 4 buttons dito. This is for the power. Etong second button naman dito, they call it the vocal. Ito, this can control the vocals of the music that you're playing. So, for example, ang napili mong music sa YouTube is an MTV, hindi siya karaoke. Meaning, kumpleto, may vocals. Kaya niyang i-turn off yung vocals kung gusto mong kumanta. So, for example, i-play natin yan. Pag-play niyan, di ba? Ayan, you can hear the vocals, di ba? If I press this, vocal off. O, di ba? Nawala yung vocals sa music. Then, you can sing. Hello, hello, hello. Di ba? Pag pinindot ko ulit to, ayan, vocal on. Ayan, bumalik yung vocals. Ang galing! Tapos meron siyang auto. Vocal auto, siya naman, kapag kumanta ka, automatic, mag-off yung vocals. Meron siyang 3 modes. Vocal on, vocal off, tsaka auto. And then, let's test, mic, test, mic, mic. Nice. Dito naman sa docking station niya, meron kang mga dials to adjust the echo, reverb, and volume. Pero all these 3 can also be adjusted using the remote control. Okay? So, press this button, tuning. Ayan. May tuning ka dyan. And then, mic equalizer. Adjust mo yan. And then, if you go to the left, merong sound effect. You have different options there. Okay? So, tara na. Huwag natin patagalin. Subukan na natin kumanta. Pakinggan natin si Madam Pea, tsaka si Achi, tsaka si Dichi.
Why do birds suddenly appear every time we morning?
Here's another cool feature of this Pure Mic. You can use your phone to control the music. So, ayan, merong QR code. You just scan that. And eto, using my phone, you can see it will connect to YouTube. So, nakakonect ka na sa YouTube. Yung phone mo now is connected to the Pure Mic. And play. Yun. Pinos ko na kasi baka ma-restrict tayo ng YouTube. So, yes, you can control your music dito sa phone mo. You can also do the search here, 'di ba? If you find it more convenient using your phone.
Just like me, they long to be close to you.
Here's another thing that you can do. So sa YouTube, pwede ka na mag-search, right? So, eto, for example, I put there karaoke songs with lyrics, right? And then, i-search natin. Ito yung search result mo, right? So, for example, piliin ko tong If I Ever Fall in Love Again. Ayan. Now it's playing. Di ba?
Global Karaoke TV.
So, nagpe-play na siya, di ba? Nandiyan na siya. If you go back here, yung playlist mo, yung connection mo to the Popsicle Pure Mic, nandito na siya. Ayan, na-add siya sa playlist. So, kung ano man yung mga piniplay mo, para kang ginagawa na niya dito ng playlist, and then later, you can, ayan, meron siyang queue. Ayan, so you can go back to it, and you can create a new playlist for that. Ayan, lalagyan mo na lang ng title.
Every time you are gone.
Dito sa remote, meron siyang search button dito, okay? Demonstrate sa atin ni Madam Peya paano mag-search.
Okay, so press nyo lang yung search button. And then, ita-type nyo lang yung song na gusto nyo. Example.
So, meron kang virtual keyboard dito, ayan.
Yeah. Perfect. Example.
So, perfect.
Yan. Tapos search. Maglo-load na siya. Ayan. Then,
Okay, yan yung search
mag-choose.
results mo.
Choose ka na lang ng song.
So, you selected yung perfect kay Ed Sheeran. Okay.
Then, play mo lang. Ayan na siya. So, same lang din nung sa phone na So, pwede mo siyang i-tag as favorite. Ganyan.
Okay.
And then,
So, na-add na siya sa
na-add
favorite
na siya
mo.
sa list. Ayan, favorite list. Ayan na siya.
And then, how do you go to your favorite list? So,
Di-
from home,
From home.
favorites, and then, ayan. So, maganda kasi kapag yung mga favorite songs mo, dyan na lang. Yung mga
Mas-store
gusto
na
mong
siya.
ulit-uliting kantahin, pupunta ka na lang dyan sa favorites mo, hindi ka na search ang search. Pure Mic Karaoke Machine K3. Napakagandang investment for Filipino families who love to sing. If you guys are interested, I will put the product link in the description. Go check it out. Alright? Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Please do not forget to follow our social media accounts. We are on YouTube, Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok.